संजीव कपूर स्वागत करता हूं आप सभी का ऑन जेफ फूडशाला प्रेजेंटेड बाय फाइन। आज है फूडशाला सीजन 10 का सेमीफाइनल राउंड और आज का एपिसोड भरा है ढेर सारे सरप्राइजेस से। आज की हमारी दो सेमीफाइनलिस्ट हैं जाहिदा और अंजू। माय ब्लेसिंग्स टू बोथ।
Springdale School Dubai, a community of learners, a center for innovation and social enterprise where happiness and well-being is a focus. Internationally recognized EYFS and CBSE curriculum, world-class sports facilities, a school which promotes learning through inquiry and problem solving.
Foodshala, the biggest food reality show in the Middle East, has brought together people from all over the UAE on one big platform. Over the last 10 years, Foodshala has given passionate home chefs the opportunity of a lifetime experience where they get to prove their cooking skills and become a pro chef. So let's welcome our semi-finalists of Foodshala Season 10, Zahida and Anju.
I really can't believe that I'm the semi-finalist.
सेमीफाइनल में आके तो मानो के जैसे विंग्स बन के उड़ गए।
आप दोनों को मौका मिला एक बार और यहाँ आने का। The lucky ones, the hard-working ones, or I should say the most creative ones.
Yes, chef. मुझे ये लग रहा है कि आज कांटे की टक्कर होने वाली है।
The beauty of my food has to come out on my plate today.
This year, out of the 6 quarter-finalists, one highest performing contestant who proved her skills with her passion has gone directly into the finale of Foodshala Season 10. And that contestant is वर्षा। और वो कंटेस्टेंट जो आज का सेमीफाइनल जीतेगा, उनका मुकाबला होगा वर्षा के साथ फिनाले में।
यकीन नहीं हो रहा कि मैं ग्रैंड फिनाले तक आ गई। लीग राउंड क्लियर हुआ, क्वार्टर फाइनल्स और डायरेक्ट ग्रैंड फिनाले। इट्स एक्चुअली अ वेरी ग्रेट फीलिंग। आई एम वेरी प्राउड।
आज फूडशाला की किचन में एक और धमाका होने वाला है, क्योंकि आज है हमारे साथ culinary वर्ल्ड के उस्ताद, the very first Indian chef to get a Michelin star. He's a well-renowned chef and owns a couple of restaurants across the globe. He's the face of modern Indian progressive cuisine. So let's welcome the very popular and charismatic Chef Vineet Bhatia.
ओह माय गॉड, मैंने कहा विनीत भाटिया जिनको तो मैं टीवी पे देखती हूँ सिर्फ, और आज वो मेरा खाना टेस्ट करने आ रहे हैं।
It was a beautiful moment to see Chef Vineet Bhatia on the stage of Foodshala. It was like a dream come true for me today.
Chef, welcome to the 10th season of Foodshala. We are so fortunate to have you here.
10 seasons is a lot. I still remember the very first season which you had. And from 1 to 10, it is phenomenal. So now, more success to all of you. So please.
Thank you so much, Chef. Chef, you've got so many restaurants. You keep shooting, you keep traveling, you write books, and you invent new recipes. During all this time, how do you get time for vacation also? How do you manage this?
Well, there is no vacation. But I can tell you one thing. As long as you cook from your heart, with lots of passion and care, work does never seem like work.
That's
It is always enjoyable.
very
And
true.
the joy of teaching and the experiences, and that is very, very crucial.
Chef, experience से मुझे याद आया, you have curated some amazing experiences. Any one of those experiences that you would like to share with all of us?
Well, there have been a lot of experiences all around, which I've done for myself and for my guests. But I think the most wonderful or memorable for me, especially, was when I cooked at Mount Everest Base Camp.
Wow, yeah.
And that was something very heartwarming. You know, we have a charity back in India where we have 3,000 girl child.
Wow.
We look after right from the time they're born till they're 18. And I'm the global ambassador. So we actually trekked to base camp, and as we trekked to base camp over 13 days, we set up a restaurant there, one of its kind ever done in the world,
Yeah.
at that height, and we cooked for diners there.
Yes.
It was to raise the awareness for the charity and also for the Nepalese earthquake victims. And the cause was so dear to me that the whole atmosphere around you of trekking up to high altitude of 18,000 feet and then cooking there, I think nothing can be matched to that.
Very true.
And it's a cause which actually made me do it. And that I can never forget.
Chef, one small piece of advice for the contestants today.
Well, the main thing I would say is keep it very simple, keep it very clean and very flavorful.
So it's time for Chef Vineet to reveal the theme for semi-finals.
Your theme for today's cooking is a tapas platter.
आज का theme, oh my God, I almost lost it.
And this tapas platter has to be global today. You have to make bite-sized pre-appetizer which look beautiful. They can be global from anywhere across the globe.
इंडिया की चाट,
या मिडिल ईस्ट के मैसे,
इटली का एंटी पास्ता,
या फ्रांस के कैनेपीस,
या तापास फ्रॉम स्पेन,
या फिर जाकुसी फ्रॉम रशिया।
आपने बनाने हैं 10 बेहतरीन डिशेस, स्मॉल बाइट साइज फ्लेवर बॉम्ब, छोटे पर एब्सोल्युटली फ्लेवरफुल।
इन 10 प्री एपेटाइजर्स को बनाने के लिए आपको दिए जाएंगे पूरे 90 मिनट्स।
10 डिशेस? ए मेरे अल्लाह, ये मैं कैसे बनाऊंगी इतने डिशेस इतने कम समय में?
And our judging parameters today are taste, technique and creativity.
And for me, hygiene and cleanliness are the most important part of the kitchen.
And that's why we have kept fine sterilized box on your station. This has got facial tissues, face mask and kitchen towels. Use them as and when required.
You can start by washing your hands and your 90 minutes starts now.
Jif Foodshala, presented by Fine, in association with Ringo, Alio, Red Tag, Knorr, Lifebuoy, Springdale, Dubai. Media partners: Eagle Eye Interior Design, Soundcraft, Radio 4. It's a K Company production.
Bacteria? Wipe it away with Jif antibacterial range that kills 99.9% of germs and bacteria on every surface, and we mean every surface. To provide you and your family a safe and clean house, because your home is where you should feel the safest and happiest. Jif antibacterial range. Germs? Just Jif it.
Sick of ordinary tissues feeling like sandpaper? Trying anything to find relief? Habibi, try the new Fine RX. Fine RX is especially made for colds and allergies. The extra strong 3-ply tissues have lotion to soothe and eucalyptus oils to unblock your nose. Fine RX. Goodbye, crusty nose. Hello, cold and allergy relief. Now available in pocket pack.
As an Allium farmer, we provide you with farm fresh chicken, raised in a clean and safe environment. Our poultry is savory and rich in flavor, so you can prepare delicious recipes just the way you like. Allium chicken, fresh, nutritious, healthy.
Tiptoes, watching my time and afterglow. I know you wanna take me home. I'm on my way, on my way.
I love being outdoors, but the sun causes stubborn dark spots, difficult to remove. Discover Nivea's new anti-spots breakthrough. Patented Luminous 630 that visibly reduces dark spots in 4 weeks. Now with Nivea Luminous 630, I can spread my luminance.
And your 90 minutes starts now.
की तैयारी है। बस वही है कि मैंने अपने ऊपर पूरा भरोसा रखा हुआ है और मुझे मेरे खाने के टेस्ट पे भरोसा है।
Today the 90 minutes were very well planned for me. I had actually planned out what has to be boiled and what has to be cooked at what time. And the first 1 hour I had kept for all my cooking and doing the things.
राजा जी,
यस शेफ।
सबसे पहली चीज सफाई।
यस शेफ।
योर टेबल इज अ क्लटर, गंदा है, तेल गिरा हुआ है, क्रम गिरे हुए हैं, चीज़ गिरे हुए हैं, ऐसा काम नहीं चलना चाहिए। तो क्या बना है आपने वहाँ पे, उसमें क्या है?
शेफ ये समोसा बन गया है, फलाफिल बन गया है, कोकम्बर नटी बाइट्स बन गए हैं।
देख रहे हैं आप, ये गार्निश है। द फर्स्ट लुक इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ द डिश, बट दैट डिक्टेट्स द फाइनल प्रोडक्ट। If the look is not nice, it's gone. This is limp.
Okay.
सुकड़ गया है। गार्निश लास्ट डब्बे में। आपके लास्ट के 5 मिनट रखने आपने सिर्फ असेंबली करने के लिए। ओनली असेंबली, फिनिशिंग ऑफ। प्लीज हरी अप। ज़ायदा क्लीन अप ऑल्सो एज यू गो। ओके।
सेमी फिनाले मतलब बोलने में 2 वर्ड हैं, लेकिन उसका प्रेशर जो आप अगर अंदाज़ा भी नहीं लगा सकते। मैंने कहा ले बाप रे, सेमी फिनाले इतना टेंशन वाला होता है।
अंजू, फर्स्ट थिंग यू शुड नेवर डू इज पुट अ मेटल स्पून ऑन टू अ नॉन स्टिक पैन। इनेबल खराब कर देगा उसका।
नॉन स्टिक में स्टील का चम्मच, I think most of us make these mistakes at home, and I did it here in the professional kitchen, and I think I should rectify my error.
और ये क्या बन रहा है इसमें?
Chef, this is sweet potato latkes.
ये उठाने में प्रॉब्लम रहेगा। कैनपे मतलब बाइट साइज, टापा शुड बी स्मॉल। जितना बड़ा बड़ा दोगे तो खा नहीं पाएगा। और वो चीज़ क्या है वहाँ पे?
Chef, this is the डोसा बिस्किट फ्रिटर्स चाट।
बिस्किट मतलब खस्ता?
यस शेफ।
खस्ता नहीं है, सॉफ्ट है। Whenever you fry and take it off the fryer, always put it onto a paper which is absorbent. आपके पास किचन टॉवल पड़ा हुआ है, that's very absorbent. You put the kitchen towel onto a plate or a tray and put your fried items on top after frying. It will absorb all the oil. And what you will get is something very nice and light to eat, which is not very heavy to eat or on your stomach.
आज के किचन में फाइन टॉवल रखा ही इसीलिए है कि भाई एक्स्ट्रा ऑयल जो है वो एब्जॉर्ब कर ले। मैंने तो अपने काउंटर पे रखा, इस्तेमाल भी कर रही हूँ। अंजू तुम भी कर लो।
फाइन किचन टॉवल्स वहाँ पड़े थे मेरे सामने, बट आई डिड नॉट यूज इट। व्हाट अ बिग ब्लंडर।
अंजू जी, also keep area very clean.
Yes, chef.
Okay, आपके लास्ट 20 मिनट बाकी हैं, 20 minutes left. They have to realize that when they cook, they have to keep the area very clean and finish off the dish at the very last moment. What they have done is they are cooking and making it ready now, which is not correct. And also, the portions are very large. They need to be very careful because there is only bite-sized canapes.
शान की चटनियाँ are really so good. They actually save my cooking time.
ये पापड़ी किसके लिए?
चना चाट।
डोंट टेल मी, आप चना चाट और पापड़ी खिलाने वाले हैं आज। और मैंने कहा था बाइट साइज। आपको लगता है बाइट साइज है? अगर आपका टेक्निकल गलत है तो जाहिदा जी आप आगे जाने का सोचे भी ना।
जब जाहिदा के काउंटर पर शेफ ने उसकी पापड़ी ऐसे करके फेंकी, आई जस्ट एंजॉयड इट।
ये पफ आपने बनाया है?
जी।
दिखाओ। कितनी बार फोल्ड किया इसको आप? 4 बार। तो इसमें कितने लेयर्स निकलेंगे? 8 लेयर निकलेंगे। बहुत बढ़िया। पफ की एक रोलिंग में ना 3 से मल्टीप्लाई होते हैं और 3 का क्यूब होता है एक्चुअली बेटा। तो इसमें आपके कम से कम नहीं तो 150 से 200 लेयर निकलेंगे। अगर उसमें से 10 भी आपने दिखा दिए तो ये पफ आपका। अजू जी, ये क्या है?
Chef, this is I'm making the chicken salad to be put in these tomato slices.
I think you forgot to chop parsley.
जब अंजू को शेफ ने कहा कि आप तो पार्सले कट करना ही चॉप करना भूल गए बिल्कुल, तो मैंने कहा रे अंजू, शेफ की नजरों से कहाँ जाएगी बच के।
अंजू जी,
Yes, chef.
मेकिंग प्री एपेटाइजर्स इज अ वर्क ऑफ आर्ट। बहुत प्रिसिशन के साथ, फोकस के साथ, ध्यान के साथ। जैसे एक ड्राइंग बनती है ना, वैसे बनते हैं प्री एपेटाइजर्स, एंड दैट्स व्हाई दे आर सो कॉम्प्लिकेटेड। यहाँ पर असेंबली लाइन नहीं, रेलवे लाइन प्रोडक्शन चल रही है। एंड दीज लेटस रैप्स, लेटस बोट्स से लेटस रैप्स थे।
I turned it to boats.
Why?
Because I couldn't wrap them.
I want to see those wraps. Boats is shortcut. I want that lettuce to be wrapped properly, just the way you told me. Hurry up, 10 minutes to go. Ideally, both of you should stop cooking in 5 minutes. Last 5 minutes only for presentation and quality check. Rush!
शेफ ने मेरी पापड़ी तो फेंक दी कि भाई ये तो 1 बाइट नहीं है, तो अब मैं बहुत ज़्यादा नर्वस हो रही हूँ, लेकिन ये है कि कोशिश पूरी करूँगी कि मैं दोबारा 1 बाइट पापड़ी बना सकूँ।
2 to 3 things at a time have been done before, but doing 10 things together, yes, it needs a professional hand.
शेफ, क्या लगता है जायदा कैसा कर रही है?
फोकस होता है ना खाने में, जो करना है, छोटा पोर्शन करना है, वो नहीं समझ में आया उसको।
शेफ, अंजू का फोकस ना मुझे लगता है हमेशा मेंटेन रहता है, उनको अपनी दुनिया से मतलब है।
But the good thing is both of them have got some very nice ideas.
Yeah.
Something, we can take as chefs into our own kitchen at times.
Very true. Very true.
That is what is key for them to do well.
Hurry up! 2 minutes to go! And that's it.
Jif Foodshala, presented by Fine, in association with Rainbow, Alio, Red Tag, Knorr, Lifebuoy, Springdale, Dubai. Media partners: Eagle Eye Interior Design, Soundcraft, Radio 4. It's a K Company production.
Bacteria? Wipe it away with Jif antibacterial range that kills 99.9% of germs and bacteria on every surface, and we mean every surface. To provide you and your family a safe and clean house, because your home is where you should feel the safest and happiest. Jif antibacterial range. Germs? Just Jif it.
Our wellness is defined by the choices we make. Small, everyday choices with big impacts on our well-being. But how do I know if I'm making the right choice? That's easy. It's Fine. Because Fine tissues undergo our patented sterilization process to ensure superior germ protection. That's why I choose Fine, the #1 sterilized tissue in the world. Germs aren't an issue when it's a Fine tissue.
As an Al-Youm poultry farmer, our chickens are fed 100% natural grain because our goal is to serve you the juiciest, most tender chicken, just how your family loves it. Al-Youm chicken, fresh, nutritious, healthy.
भैया चुप हो, बाहर जर्म्स है। तू डर मत, हम जर्म्स को पाम, रब, छू कर देंगे।
हाँ, लाइफबॉय हैंड वॉश, ये दे 100% स्ट्रॉन्गर जर्म प्रोटेक्शन। तो पाम, रब, छू।
Made with 100% natural vegetables, herbs, and spices. From the farm to your plate. Knorr, naturally tasty.
With pure alum, new Nivea Clean Protect. For the best natural underarm protection.
I love it.
Natural protection, beautiful underarms.
सपने में ये बेस्ट एम्प्लॉय का अवार्ड जीत रहे हैं और हमारे सुपर हीरो ये तो दुनिया को बचाने ही वाले हैं। अरे रह गए ना इनके सपने अधूरे। नया विक्स वेपोरब, ये दे 2-in-1 राहत खांसी और बंद नाक से और चैन भरी नींद, ताकि आप हर सपना पूरा कर पाएं। नया विक्स वेपोरब।
3-5-2? Nobody plays that way anymore. Whoa!
Alex, you're not you when you're hungry. Have a Snickers. Better? Better.
Snickers, you're not you when you're hungry.
best part about winning. Today, both of you are the masters of your kitchen, the emperors of your thoughts. And let me tell you, by the first look of your plates, I'm surprised.
I must say, I am very impressed. I wasn't expecting that to have such a large spectrum of dishes at such a short duration of time. I must say, efforts have been very, very good.
Thank you, chef. मुझे मेरा खाना देख के ऐसे ही लग रहा था कि मेरा खाना बहुत सुंदर है, क्योंकि शेफ ने कहा था कि प्लेटिंग सुंदर होनी चाहिए, तो मैं तो बिल्कुल सेटिस्फाई हूँ.
It looks clean, it looks elegant. But the most important thing is also, beside presentation, is the taste. And that will be the key.
Absolutely. Chaliye, chef.
Chaliye.
Let's start from left to right.
गलती की ना, गार्निश वो डालना चाहिए जो आदमी खा सके. If you ask to eat like a bite size, you can't eat the line. या तो डालिए मत, अगर डालना ही है तो एक पतला सा सेगमेंट काट के ऊपर डाल लीजिए. That's perfectly fine. With the skin, you can't eat it.
Taco chicken bites.
Chicken is moist, it is soft, it is tender, it is juicy. A good effort.
आपकी चिकन इतना मॉइस्ट है, जूसी है, तो फिर अलियोम तेरा शुक्र अदा करती हूँ.
चना चाट.
यस.
Fire brigade बुलाना पड़ेगी. My hands are shivering after eating this. It is so spicy for me. And पापड़ी का साइज तो मैंने ठीक करा दिया था, लेकिन पापड़ी कच्ची कैसे रह गई?
अगर आप इतनी सारी स्पाइस डाल ले खाने में तो आपको कोई टेस्ट नहीं आता है. आपके जो टेस्ट बड्स हैं सारे मर जाते हैं. आपको सिर्फ तीखापन, मिर्ची आती है पैलेट में, और कुछ नहीं आता.
जब चाट ही तेज ना हो, तीखी ना हो, तो उसका मजा ही क्या, वो चाट ही नहीं.
So there's chicken inside, right? Chicken puff pastries.
Yes.
Puffs are not baked properly. Oh yes, I was right. खाने में students, it's not puff, it's like chewing dough. आपको क्या लगा कि आज ब्रेड फेस्टिवल है या वर्ल्ड ब्रेड डे है? सब चीज़ों का बेस, majority of your things have a bread base. They're all starch. Combination, colors, कहाँ है सर?
कैनपी बनाते वक्त वैसे भी हम ज़्यादातर ब्रेड का ही इस्तेमाल करते हैं ताकि वो मॉइस्ट जूस कर ले, तो आज मैंने भी वही किया.
They are called pre-appetizers because they get you ready for the appetizers, not to kill your appetite. Wow, nicely seasoned, good layers, not too thick, perfectly fried. The filling is moist, seasoning is good. Well done.
It's very nice.
बहुत बढ़िया.
समोसे का जब शेफ विनीत ने कहा कि वाह वेरी नाइस, बहुत अच्छी फीलिंग है, तो मैंने कहा ले भाई समोसे तो हिट हो गए.
So we got smoked salmon with avocado spread.
इसको स्मोक कैसे किया आपने?
ऐसे जब कच्ची थी ना रॉ, तो मैंने कोयले का दम लगाया.
कोई स्मोक फ्लेवर नहीं आ रहा.
For me, I think salmon should be pink. ये salmon इतनी ओवरकुक हो चुकी है कि white हो गई. Secondly, I don't know, salmon का इतना अच्छा अपना beautiful flavor है. Why do you need to smoke that fish? कर भी दिया तो आप उसमें seasoning करना भूल गए. What fruits have you used in this?
Mango, apple and banana.
Fruits on toast. I don't think it's anything creative or anything innovative. You know, at this level, I was expecting it to be a little more interesting.
Zahida ji?
Yes, chef.
Overall, if I have to summarize your performance, I would say concept में you were right. Everything is bite-sized. The portion control is there. Taste में आप कहीं यहाँ शायद मात खा गई. I think technically you goofed up. But overall, it's a great attempt from my side. Congratulations.
Thank you, chef. खाना टेस्ट करने के बाद जो मुझे कमेंट्स मिले दोनों शेफ की तरफ से, तो मैं सेटिस्फाई हूँ आज.
अंजू,
Yes, chef.
present your dishes to us.
Sure, chef. जब जजेस मेरी डिशेस चखेंगे, they are surely going to salivate and I'm 100% sure about it.
Anju ji.
Yes, chef.
Chef particularly came to your station and said that your portions are too big. They have to be one bite size. Tell me, is this for a monster's bite? The only savior today for you could be taste. जो उनकी वीकनेस है, अगर वो आपकी स्ट्रेंथ हुई तो ही शायद आप आगे जा पाएंगी, वरना concept wise you have goofed up.
जब मैं डिशेस बना रही थी तो मुझे लगा था कि ये थोड़े बड़े पोर्शंस हैं, लेकिन टाइम नहीं था मेरे पास रेक्टिफाई करने के, क्योंकि मुझे सारी 10 की 10 डिशेस प्रेजेंट करनी ही थी.
Let's try, chef.
Lime shrimp lettuce wraps. Now, how do you eat this? If I try and pick it up, it falls over.
Thank you.
Having said that, the flavor is very nice.
Wow. Let's try with this deviled eggs with guacamole.
Again, the classic mistake people make when they put things onto the plate which you can't eat. Don't put them onto the plate. These are not required.
Brilliant.
It's nice.
Wow.
It's got a very nice khatas to it. It's got a sourness.
Correct.
It tickles your palate. जब canapé बोलो या amuse bush बोलो, जो बोलते हैं French में, it means to tickle your palate. Small piece in your mouth, it opens up the taste buds. This egg does that.
Deviled egg and guacamole has been a super hit at my home, and that is how it came out here when Chef Akshay and Chef Vineet praised it for the same.
Dosa fritters. आपको एक बार भी मतलब लगा नहीं कि मैंने क्या बना दिया? सोचना चाहिए था आपको कि इतनी बढ़िया डिश बना दी आपने. Brilliant is the only word I can say for this dish. It's so crunchy.
I'm surprised. It's a very clever use of a different kind of a batter to make a dish, but it's too big.
Correct.
You get my point?
Yes, chef. The thought behind dosa biscuit was that my children love both these things, and when they were small, I used to do this for them. And then making it into a chaat concept, because my husband is fond of chaat, so that is how the twist came into it. I cooked it for my children, and then it turned out to be a chaat for my husband, and the whole family loves it.
Nachos with Mexican layered salsa. Anju, the only word that I have for these nachos is that after tasting this, I've started to hate nachos. आपने पढ़ाई करी लेकिन शायद अधूरी करी. एवोकाडो का आपने सिर्फ पेस्ट डाल दिया और साग क्रीम का एक डॉलप डाल दिया. किसी को भी आप सीजन करना भूल गए.
आज नाचोस बिल्कुल ही बेकार बने थे, और जबकि मेरे बच्चों की बहुत फेवरेट डिश है.
Tomato olive tapenade on zucchini.
First thing here is it looks raw. You didn't think of putting a little olive oil and grilling it lightly or lightly blanching it to soften it. Just a raw slice. And without eating, I can tell you the flavor may be fantastic, but the composition of the dish does not work. It's because it's too thick and it's too raw.
No, absolutely. I mean, I have the same points to say, so I would rather move to the next dish.
It was the biggest blunder I made, without roasting, without toasting. कुछ भी नहीं किया उसे, and I just put a thick slice of zucchini there.
Greek salad with watermelon. It's too big.
It's too big. इसी को अगर आपने छोटे-छोटे पीस में चॉप कर दिया होता, and I'll show you how.
All in one bite.
See that? That is a canapé. How easy is that? It is all about the mindset. It is all about the event. It's all about the occasion. And you are in such an occasion right now in semi-finals when you're doing for a placement in a final, and you're making such basic mistake.
For me to be called as a Greek salad, it must have at least the basic things that are going into a Greek salad.
अंजू की डिशेस में क्रिएटिविटी नहीं है, इतना तो मुझे मालूम है.
It's going to be very difficult for us to say who goes in the next stage. So now it's literally balance में out of 10 who goes up ahead.
Absolutely.
It's going to be tough.
Let's see who wins. Thank you.
ओवरऑल मुझे ये लग रहा है कि कमेंट्स मुझे मेरी तरफ से ऐसा लग रहा है कि फाइनल वाले आए.
A bigger win is that I have reached to the semi-finals of Foodshala, and being judged by Vineet Bhatia and Chef Akshay, it's like a lifetime honor for me. And yes, winning and losing, it's a part of the game.
Zaida, Anju,
Yes, chef.
आप दोनों ने बहुत मेहनत करी और बहुत सारी गलतियां भी की. एक ने मारा टेक्निक में चौका, तो दूसरी तरफ आपने मारा टेस्ट में छक्का. अब देखना ये कि किसकी बॉल स्टेडियम के बाहर गई. And the contestant who's going to the grand finale of Foodshala Season 10 is
Anju.
can't we eat this?
Well done, Anjulu. But first, Zaida, himmat na hariye. I think it was a very, very, very close call. Literally 19-20 का फर्क था. And Anju, you go on to the grand final.
Thank you so much, chef.
खुशी को मैग्नीफाई करता है, क्रेविंग्स को सेटिस्फाई करता है. फूडशाला वो शो है जो आपके सपनों को साकार करता है.
तब तक के लिए stay tuned for the next week for the grand final. This is Chef Vineet Bhatia and Chef Akshay Nair signing off. Be safe, happy cooking and take care.